So this is 2 million poly. So really, see, 2 million, only 2 million. But I did use HD geometry. So let me isolate like here. Yeah, so this is HD geometry, 4 million, this part only. But look, up close. It's not beautiful. Look.
Yeah.
Never forget that this is the final result. Look.
Oh, yeah, they look.
Right? So the feedback you have, it's really difficult to, unless you've done that a few times, it's really difficult to be sure that this is going to work. Because you have to go through the process of detailing, rendering, and then shader setup to make it work. To know how much is enough, or to know that, well, this part here, it doesn't need much. Look, really simple. And this guy, I used the approach that I showed you of doing it manually.
Mm-hmm.
We're seeing the render, man. It just works. Because you have color, light, the other stuff. And then, unless you're going this close, it still works, right? It still works well. But usually, you're presenting your work like this.
Yeah.
And it works super well, like a full head. It's all here. The little reflections and stuff. And the lips. It's all crossed, like done by hand as well. And there's some more work done in the shader. So the shader is really important to give the effects. But I believe your guy has more like this look than a human look. I think so. And that means you can be a bit more loose with the details. A bit heavy-handed. The actual details can be heavy-handed, but the forms, they have to be special. So this guy, I mean, it's a bit easier because it has a huge nose, Argentinian nose. And it has the teeth and stuff. And this little eye, his eye is a bit different, so it creates more interest already than a normal eye. So I can get away with a detail that's a bit loose. As long as the forms are really strong. And I mean, like really, so he's so different, stylized, that I can get away easily than you. Your guy needs more care, a bit more care. So all these features here make it easier for me to detail. But look how crazy and loose that is. Some holes, some dots.
The last that you do for the course, the alien guy, the elf guy, I don't know.
Yeah.
But it looks similar to this in the head.
It does. But cleaner. Yeah, a bit cleaner. Yeah, I can open the head here, of course.
Oh man, this is.
So this one was a bit more controlled. A bit more controlled.
But it's the same. It's the same technique. It looks the same technique.
Yeah. So this one I used more of those patches of alphas, the 5 alphas. So instead of placing with my brush, that one, instead of placing with this one, I did more with that alpha. But I think in the end, I even placed, my own alpha here.
Yeah, you can use both.
Yeah, both, yeah.